Thank you for joining us on this Wednesday night, and the smoke is thick out there. Here are weather highlights, and we pointed this last night. That smoke is going to be a problem through the day tomorrow, and at periods in time over the next several days, that trend will continue with minimal rainfall chances. And today was one of the best rainfall chances. We just got very little. That's going to allow the heat to build. Triple-digit heat is on its way back to the valley. First of all, we'll start with that smoke. Unhealthy levels tonight. Much of the day tomorrow will be in that same category. Air quality alert through most of Minnesota. Now, we don't have that apparatus in place to issue those here in North Dakota, but it is just nasty. And we'll review the smoke forecast once again, which does show some changes. But again, the moisture, just not much. Over the next 10 days as we go through July 23rd, it looks dry. Now, this weekend, we get back into the 90s. That's these bright red colors that you see here. A few 100s in the eastern plains of Montana already to close the work week. And then as we go through the week next week, by Tuesday, some of our northern counties will have a chance at triple-digit heat, and there will be a chance anywhere you see the pinks here for some triple-digit high temperatures into midweek and beyond, and periodically after that through the close of the month, the way it looks like. It's not going to be 100 every day, but I will say this, almost every day between now and the close of July. This is horrible news for the agricultural industry in our entire region, but we'll have a shot at some 100-degree weather in our area all the way through the close of the month, the way it looks. 68 Fargo at Hector, 66 Moorhead's Airport, calm wind. We have a little moisture in the atmosphere, but nothing to wring that moisture out in the form of raindrops right now. 70s for Lakes Country, Fergus Falls, and how about fun Detroit Lakes tonight, having fun out at the Water Carnival. And that car show was something special as well. And 71 in Devil's Lake. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. The thunderstorms that were out to the west really tapering off now, leaving us quiet. And it's been anything but quiet across much of Iowa tonight with numerous tornadoes that hit that area. We have active tornado warnings even at this hour of the night. For us, our shower and thunder shower chances are minimal. The smoke lingers through the overnight hours. It may not be quite as bad first thing in the morning. Temperatures near 60, sunshine aplenty, and as we go through midday, we'll be rocking temperatures in the 80-degree range tomorrow, and we will be warmer back into the mid-80s. And those mid-80s will drive 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 isolated storms. There's a better chance of not being stormed on than being stormed on. But again, we'll take any moisture we can get from these. This model has some moving through or near Fargo, Moorhead. Can't rule them out, but I wouldn't count on them. Here's a look at your planner. 60, rising it up into the mid-80s for your afternoon. Foggy, hazy, not foggy, but hazy skies thanks to the smoke. South winds start to return, and that will bring some relief from the smoke eventually as we go into Friday. Hometown forecast, I think, will be near 90 for tomorrow in Jamestown. There's a chance at near 90 Grand Forks and particularly up north near Langdon and Kennedy and Kitson County, as we've seen the last several days where it's drier. Look at this shot. Rick Craig captured this again in the Pierce County area. What framing. It takes a lot of patience to find those spots. And look at that gorgeous prairie view from that barn. Look at the haymow up there. All right, this week we get hot on the weekend. We're back in the 90s with warm weather. There will be periods of smoke from time to time on Friday across our area, particularly east. As we go through the weekend, we're going to battle with that, and next week the heat is on. On Tuesday, I have 95 for Fargo up in the north and out to the west in the James River Valley. I think we'll have a shot at triple digits, and that shot comes our way on Wednesday, and that is why that is also now a first alert weather day for the beginning of a heat wave, which could last for at least a week.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Well, there's